Howdy, hey, Erik the Travel Guy with you. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a little comment if you try this recipe because it's really easy to make key lime pie. I wanted to find out how to make a delicious recipe. That's why we went to Key West, Florida, and that's where we met Kermit, Carpenter. Take a look.
I want to talk a little bit about this guy. This is a key lime, right?
That's a key lime.
And obviously it's smaller than a regular lime. Are they grown here? Where are they grown?
Originally from Southeast Asia. The English were called limeys because they brought them all over the world and planted them because they found out when they put it in the barrels of water that you no longer got scurvy.
Really?
Yeah. So they're Mexico, it's a Mexican lime. Tahiti, it's a Tahitian lime. Key West lime.
And what's the difference if I pick up a regular lime versus a Key West lime?
The acidity. It's gonna, if you made a key lime pie with a regular lime, it's not gonna set up well because the acidity is not there, which is what curdles the milk, gives you that custard feel.
All right, so we're gonna make one of these pies.
You're gonna make a key lime pie.
Really?
Absolutely.
All right, what do we do?
Okay, 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk.
Okay.
6 egg yolks.
Okay.
Half a cup of juice, and a
Pie
graham
crust.
cracker crust. Or you could use a cookie crust if you don't have a graham cracker.
I like the graham cracker. That's a nice touch.
That's basic.
The temperature of the eggs. Room temperature?
Room temperature.
Okay. How long does it take to bring an egg down to room temperature?
Not that long.
No?
An hour.
Hour or so?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you start those mixing. We're gonna add 2 cans of sweet condensed milk.
And again, I wasn't beating this for very long. Like, that's it.
Doesn't take much. You're just blending this up.
This is amazingly simple. Did I get this right? There's 150 products in your store with key lime in?
Correct.
What was that?
Key lime cookies, key lime candies, key lime sauces, key lime marinades, key lime moisturizer, bath gels, shampoos, soaps.
It's just like Forrest Gump. This is already starting to look like the right color.
Right. Now lift that up and see how thin though it is.
Oh,
Now
wow.
you're gonna see, we're gonna add the juice to that. You're gonna see the thickness change and the texture change.
And that's straight juice.
Straight key lime juice. Now as you're stirring that, you're gonna see the texture change because the juice and the chemical reaction with the milk
Is almost instantaneous.
almost instantaneous.
Wow, you are not kidding.
Okay, that's ready to dump in the crust.
That's it?
Yep, you've made a key lime pie. Okay. Voila.
If I can do this,
Right.
anybody can do
Level
this.
it up a little bit.
Okay. How hot's the oven?
350 degrees, we're gonna do 20 minutes. Bring it right over here, we'll stuff it in the oven.
All right. So we have 20 minutes. We should
Okay.
sample some products.
Absolutely.
Gosh, look at this thing. This looks amazing. We're gonna cut it or we're gonna slice.
Oh, let's just dig in.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's amazing. It's flavorful, it's light, it's dense, but it's not cakey.
Not overpowering.
No. You wanna try? Come on, here you go. Take a bite.
We post brand new videos every day in travel at noon and 4 p.m. Eastern, so hit that subscribe button to remind you, and don't forget to like and share this video as well. Hey, watch another one while you're at it.